Don't try it at home, okay? Ow! Man, that hurts. You are totally safe outdoors with WP19 because this is not just a phone, it's a frigging weapon. It can literally knock the living craps out of any creature outdoors when you throw this phone at them. When you are in this situation, that's gonna be the last picture ever you will take in your life, because after that, tiger will eat you. Look at that. Oh man, this thing is big and heavy. And play with my weapon. Play with my Oukitel phone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings, alishanmao here, and welcome to a complete review of Oukitel WP19. Yes, you will find some very funny and interesting facts in this video review, so do watch this all the way and stay with me. You're gonna love those things. Oukitel WP19 unboxing. The cat doesn't come with the phone. So, check this out. User manuals, warranty, a pin, wall outlet. Well, it says it has fast charging, so we'll see if this wall outlet can do fast charging or not. And look at that. Oh man, this thing is big and heavy. Here is the Oukitel WP19. At the right side, looks like we have the volume button, up and down, on off button. No fingerprint sensor. Wait a minute, this button, on off button, is also a fingerprint sensor. At the left side, we have another button, SIM card and TF card. The kitty is killing my 3D printed dragon right there. Strap holder, so you can basically put a strap on it. Looks really nice and tough. On the back, Oukitel logo. The first one is Samsung 64 megapixel camera. Then we have a 2 megapixel camera right here for macro, and we have Sony 20 megapixel camera for night vision. That's IMX350. And then we have 4 IR emitters as well. I believe they are right here, and this is a flash. And then on the bottom we have this Type-C charging, and I'm very happy to see that there is a jack for old school headphones. Awesome. Now I can use my Sony headphones with this and listen to music in very good quality. On the top there is nothing. Rest, the phone is really big and really heavy. Strongest phone I believe I have ever seen, and it's so heavy that if I drop it accidentally on my kitty's head, I will probably be burying her somewhere. So I'm in my pitch dark room. My left hand is holding this Oukitel WP19 with night vision on, and you can see everything is shot clearly because these infrared emitters are on. Right now we are recording night vision video with Oukitel WP19 in the dark room with infrared light. Infrared emitters. Don't worry, I'm not gonna scare you tonight like the other day. Ow! Well, it's dark, I cannot see, I'm hitting things. So this is Arish with ghost eyes with night vision on Oukitel WP19. Don't be scared. This is just Oukitel WP19 taking your video. You're gonna be famous on YouTube, you two little birdies. Hey, you wanna fight? Come on, baby. Let's fight. Ow. You want to fight. You don't want to fight today. You don't want to fight today. I 3D printed the house for them and hang them up there because now on the floor we have two kitties. Oh, there you are. Come on here. Come on, little baby, little kitty kitty. So this is the one my kid found outside drinking dirty water in the street. Look at that, how cute she is. And we have another one sleeping right here. So we have two kittens, and that is why I had to hang the birds up high. So this is a 4K clip without any background light or supported light, shot with Oukitel WP19. My two little kittens are sleepy after playing whole night. They are tired. So while I'm using it, I mean the WP19 Oukitel, it seems like it does have some sort of, electronic image stabilization, because it's not jittery and shaky image while I move the camera around. So using the Oukitel 64 megapixel camera, not in 64 megapixel mode but in photo mode, and I'm just checking the AI detection on the camera, and you can see as soon as I focus it on my kittens, you get a pet right there on the right side. Now AI kind of failing here to detect the mountains. Oh, snow, yes, there was it, yes, it detected snow. Took it a little time, given that that's not real image, that's an image. It's detecting the image on the monitor there. Now they are deep in sleep. This one is dreaming about something. Her eyes are open. She's looking at the phone as well. What kind of deep sleep is that? Alright, let's talk about the features of Oukitel WP19. Man, this phone is big and heavy. Now looking at the screen, all the features will be there, but I would like to start with this statement. This is absolutely a very interesting statement that I could ever see for a phone. It says, feeling safe with WP19 outdoors, right here on the screen. Feeling safe with WP19 outdoors. Yes, look at the size, weight, and build of this phone. I mean, ow! Check this picture out. You are totally safe outdoors with WP19, because this is not just a phone, it's a frigging weapon. It can literally knock the living craps out of any creature outdoors when you throw this phone at them. So yes, definitely you are safe with this phone. Let me check, hold on. Ow! Oh man, this really, I'm right when I said that it will literally knock the living craps out of any creature. I'm right about that. I hit myself from here. Imagine if I hit myself from the corners, I can literally open my skull or maybe crack my skull and go for surgery. Anyway, so this is definitely a kind of phone that will keep you safe anywhere, indoors or outdoors. You get into a fight, you know what I'm talking about. 100% guarantee you will win the fight if you have this phone in your hands. So I really love this phone because this phone can get you out of troubles in some very critical situations. Let's move on to more features of this phone. All right, so the phone has 6.78-inch FHD plus a screen, 64 megapixel triple AI cameras. Yes, I have tested those cameras. I'm going to show you the results of those cameras as well. And also has an IR night vision. Yes, I have tested the IR night vision, and some of the people actually commented on my other video and said the Doogee S98 Pro, and they said they can take the pictures in the IR night vision mode, but they cannot record the video. How did you record the video? Well, this is the same kind of thing. You can take pictures and record videos when you are in night vision mode. Just look for a camera icon, people. Come on, it's just that easy. So yes, it has an IR night vision and 64 megapixel AI camera, which has the AI that does detect the scenes and automatically adjust the scenes. You will see in the section of this video where I will show you the camera results. 33-watt rapid charging. Now 21,000 milliamp battery is really big, and it does take 3 to 4 hours to fully charge. However, it does charge fast. IP68 and IP69K mil standard 810H. This is the same kind of thing that we see in all the rugged phones coming out of China. So they are, yes, waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, mud-proof. And this one is also human proof because you feel safe with this one. But the screen side, it does look like not that strong. So if it is falling on the screen side, it does have raised edges. But if there's something raised or kind of a stone and hits the screen, you will happily go for the screen repair. So coming down, it says 8 GB RAM and 256 GB ROM. Yes, plenty of storage for you, and also I have plenty of power to play games. Helio G95, it's the same thing. I have seen this Helio G95 octa-core processor in all these upcoming or new rugged phones. NFC and Google Pay. Yes, it's a Google phone. It says you have a 36 hour of video, 123 hours of music, 122 hours of calling, 2 to 5 hours standby. Now those are lots of standby hours. We have talked about that it can charge the battery really fast with 33 watts, so it will go down. And I have told you that this is not just the battery in the phone, but also a power bank. So it's a frigging power bank right here, portable backup power supply, but you have to do something with the USB and say USB controlled by this device, then it will charge your other device. And it shows you right here: wildfire, extreme weathers, flood. You can use it outdoors, explore the unknowns, capture the okay, let's keep going. Triple AI camera, 64 megapixel mode camera takes very nice picture. I have compared the picture with normal photo, and then there's an option in the phone which says it has a 64 megapixel, and when you take a picture with 64 megapixel, not 60 more megapixel, you really get very good results. You will see it in the section of this video where I showed the camera results. So do watch that section in this video. Then we have a night mode. So I have taken one night shot as well, and I might post night shots later on my Instagram. So check out the link in video description and follow my Instagram, please. Macro lens mode, it does a good job. Mowing down underwater video, I haven't tried it. I just have a swimming pool around available, so we might give it a try later. Okay, and we talked about the IR night vision, and I just don't know. Everybody shows you this picture at night that you're watching a tiger with a night vision. Well, I can tell you, when you are in this situation, that's gonna be the last picture ever you will take in your life, because after that, tiger will eat you, and people will find your Oukitel WP19 on the floor, and they will know the causes of your death because you took a picture of tiger using the night vision camera of this phone. Now, one thing that I really like about this front camera on this phone is that it's 16 megapixel. Yes, a lot of phones, rugged phones, giving you this front camera only 8 megapixel, which honestly does not generate good results. I have 16 megapixel on my OnePlus 7T, and it does a very good result. And this one with 16 megapixel also does a very good job and gives you a very good result. So if you have a front camera 16 megapixel, that is a good thing in a phone, and you should go for that. So we have some selfies we are not interested to look at. Immerse yourself 6.7-inch FHD display with 90 Hz refresh rate. Yes, I have told you the refresh rate, and the screen is really fluid, and touch screen is really very comfortable to use. Okay, now we have an adequate storage, 8 GB RAM, 256 GB ROM, and coming down, gaming. Yes, I will let you move on to the gaming section right after this discussion of the features of this phone. So do we have anything more? Nah. Water, dust and drop resistant, waterproof, IP68. Yes, just take some pictures with putting some dirt and some stones out of a stream. Put the phone in a stream and take a picture. Also has a fingerprint and face ID, NFC, Google Pay. I have told you about that. And global bands and dual 4G SIM. That's nice. You can have 2 numbers and global navigation. Nothing more to see here. So let's move on to the Geekbench result for the performance of this phone. Alright people, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope Oukitel is happy with my review as well, and you are happy with my review as well. Give this video a big like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little bell icon and turn on all the notifications. And also please notice that there's a membership on my channel. So if you get a membership on my channel, you can enjoy the special membership perks and activities. They're coming very soon on my channel. So stay tuned for that, and do check out the membership options on my channel and enjoy the extra perks. I'm gonna end this video and play with my weapon. Play with my Oukitel phone. Some of the games, interesting games that I have downloaded on this one. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right